welcome back and thank you for tuning in. We are back with another DIY video. So this time it's going to be the engine oil. We need to top up the engine oil on this motorcycle here. As I did the coolant, I checked the engine oil level and it was low. So I went, picked up this Castrol Power and Racing, which is recommended by Triumph. There are a few things that you need to know before you top up the engine oil. First thing, to check the current level of the engine oil, you need to keep the bike upright, not on its stand, on the wheels. Okay, so you need to find some help. Basically ask someone to come and hold the bike so you can look through it. I have no one now, so I will try doing it myself. Keep it upright on its wheels and then look through the glass. There you go. You see that? The bike has been stationary for more than 24 hours and there is no oil. Now open the cap. Okay. Keep this. Fine. Okay, now what I'll do is keep the top. And now I can see it dropping. I won't need much. So I will have to lift the bike again and check. I could touch, keep it here, and now can you see that oil moving when I move the motorcycle? Yeah. Now it's almost there at the max. Turn this off. So oil top up done. It is due for service. It gets serviced in about 1000 or 2000 kilometers very soon. So that's a quick fix DIY for you regarding how to top up your engine oil. So until the next one, take care and stay safe.